there guys, this is Dan from Screaming Frog, and this is the Screaming Frog SEO Spider. It's a program that you can download and install on a PC, Mac or Linux machine, and it crawls websites and it analyses them from an SEO perspective for common SEO issues. It's a free tool that you can download and use for crawling up to 500 URLs. If you'd like to crawl more than that, have access to the advanced configuration options, things like JavaScript rendering, custom search, custom extraction, or integrating with Google Analytics, Google Search Console, or pulling in external link metrics, then you can buy an annual license for £149. You can see the type of data that's being pulled in this main window pane here. You can see the number of average and current URLs being crawled a second at the bottom, and over on this bottom right hand side the number completed and left to go. And you can scroll to see the data as well on this main window pane that updates in real time. So the URLs, status codes, page titles, character and pixel widths, meta descriptions, things like headings, so H1s, H2s, meta robots, meta refreshes, canonicals, the size of the page, the word count, the crawl depth of the page, the number of inlinks and outlinks, things like the hash value. There's lots of data in there. And it's a very intuitive UI. If you click on URLs in this higher window pane here, and then the lower window tabs, it populates this lower window pane. So you can view the inlinks to a page and the respective anchor text or alt text if it's an image, whether links are followed or no followed. The outlinks, the images and the alt text of those images. You can also view a SERP snippet preview of the page, how it may appear in Google, and you can edit this as well. And you can see the data is arranged and organised within these tabs up here. And each of these tabs has respective filters to segment the data. So if you just wanted to have a look at broken links, for example, you'd look at response codes and client error 400s. You can see we have a broken link to the Brighton SEO website here. If you click on inlinks, you can see the page that broken link's on there. So you can view things like URL errors. You can see the types of filters there. Page titles, common issues like missing page titles, duplicates, whether over or under certain character or pixel widths, meta descriptions, headings, H1s, H2s, images, whether there's any missing alt text. I've already got that one highlighted. You can see this one here is missing alt text on this page, on all of these pages here. Directives, so you can have a look at things like meta robots, X robots tag, meta refreshes, canonicals, rel previous next, hreflang if you have an international website, and common issues here for hreflang. There's lots of different information that you can see in these tabs here, and you can export all the data by just clicking this export button at any time. The data is also summarised in this right window pane here with numbers. You can view the site structure, the response times, APIs if you're connected to any of those, and I do recommend for advanced users using the configuration options which you can see here. There's lots of things that you can edit and configure with the crawl. You can also crawl in regular Spider mode, or you can upload a list. You can bulk export all the data. There's plenty of reports. You can create sitemaps, and there's lots of things that you can do. Hopefully that gives you a quick overview. We recommend downloading the tool and giving it a trial. Thanks for your time.